How to change Instagram chat color on your iPhone. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. Firstly, go on your Instagram app. Now go and tap on the message icon which is on your top right corner of your screen. Go on the chat that you want to change your theme. Now tap on the name of your chat person. As you tap your name, you can see there's an option called theme. Now choose any theme that you want to put. After you choose a theme, it will automatically be saved. But if you change your mind, do not worry, you can also change it back to the default. Follow the same process by tapping on the profile. Now tap on theme. Scroll down until you find the color and gradients. Tap on any theme you want. Once you tap on it, it will automatically be changed. In this way, you can change your chat color or chat theme on your Instagram. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.